In this video, I can show you how can you remove your mobile screen mobile password like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, LG in just 2 minutes. So watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your Android smartphone in just only 2 minutes without losing any data and without using any computer and software. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode, and this is the airplane mode. Click this to activate. After that, remove all kind of memory card, SIM card from your smartphone. After that, your mobile is prepared to unlock mobile unlocking method to your smartphone. So you have to open this emergency call option from your mobile, open dialer pad and enter a code here to close all your background running application, and this is very important, and the code is *#, and this is the code. You can take a screenshot from this code. This is the code. After that, you have to call this code for three times. Means when you start the calling, call failed, pop-up message will come on your mobile screen. So click OK to ignore it and repeat the same process until three step completed. After this, you have to remove this code from your mobile screen, and the next step is ready for using. So you have to enter a code here, and this code is *899 and as you clicking on last hash button here, you can see that the after sales page come in your mobile screen. So you have to take important step here. So you have to find an option which is named manual test. When this open, many pages will come in your mobile screen. So you don't worry. I'm going to learn how can you remove your mobile screen password. So this is the last page. This name is other, and here all 5 options are very important. So work in these options very carefully. First of all, the main board version, you have to open it for the 7th time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After this you have to open this read write important log test for 4 times. In the first 3 times when you open it, click on the cancel button and repeat the same process for 3 times. But in the 4th time, you have to click on OK button, and you can see that, my friend, your wrong password is detected now, and this is ready to reset. So click for resetting, click the key status option, and when you open this key status option, your mobile password is completed unlocked. You can see that your all keys options are passed, means your mobile is unlocked. For checking purpose, click the home button here, and you see here your mobile is unlocked and there is no any photo, video and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all Android smartphone at your home. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, you can comment as well, subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.